Welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to set Spotify songs as a ringtone. So let's start. For example, I'm listening this song. So if I want to this song plays as a ringtone, so just click on the three dots in the top right corner there. Here you have many options, so just scroll down and select sleep timer. When you select the sleep timer, you can select the ringtone time, for example 5 minutes, 10 minutes, etc. So you select one of them. Every time that your sleep timer sounds, this song will play. So that's how it works. So for example, I will play the 5 minutes. So as you can see, your sleep timer is set. That means that the song will play every time that your timer sounds. Okay? So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.